How to turn off auto dubbing in YouTube. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily turn off the auto dubbing feature on YouTube. The very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up any video. So let me just go ahead and quickly open this up. Now once you have your video open, you can find the settings icon over here, and then you'll find subtitles. But if you have other options for sound, you will be able to change it from there. So as you can see here in this video, I have this option for audio track. You can change it to any language you want, but if it is selected to any different language, you can select whichever you want, like this English original. You can just tap on it and it's going to play in English, and the audio is also going to be in English. However, if you want to change it as a creator, then you are going to have to go to your profile and go to YouTube Studio. And then from here, you should have an option for your settings down below. Go to settings and then find upload defaults. Tap on it, then go to advanced settings. Now, if you scroll down a bit here, if you have auto dubbing enabled or the option is available for your channel, you can find it right over here. So let me show you guys. So it's going to look something like this. You have automatic dubbing, and you can allow automatic dubbing, or you can manually review dubs before publishing. It's going to do an AI generated voice, however, so you have to keep that in mind. And if you want to turn it off, basically just click on this checkbox. And once you do that, your automatic dubbing will be disabled. And you could also just manually review your dubs. You can review dubs in all languages or review dubs in experimental languages only. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.